How you doing now?
Fine, no.
I'm on a break with this.
No, na stone.
Ah.
Fine, John. Fine.
Oh, you said I join you?
Yes.
Jesus. I'm on a ground to use the chopper.
No, na stone. Yeah.
Hi.
You what? You will end up in my daughter. That's what I meant. I really meant what I'm saying.
You know, bro.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
You only you waka come.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
No, but now I won't come see you.
You wan come see me? So this one wey come finish my bread, you never see me.
No, no be like that. I won't make you borrow me small money. Only 500 naira.
Yes!
Borrow me small money. Only 500 naira.
We will keep quiet.
God will bless you.
500.
Just 500.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
You say how much?
Just 500.
500? Yeah. I'm coming. Let me give you 500.
Okay.
You be mumu.
After you don't chop my food finish, they tell you 500. Eh? I be your father, you chop my medicine, I have 500.